In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to receive a summary of your tasks every weekday in HubSpot. If you're someone who relies on tasks to manage follow-ups, sales activities, or daily priorities, setting up a daily task summary can make a huge difference in staying organized and never missing important work. The best part is that HubSpot can automatically send you a weekday digest, so you don't have to log in constantly just to check what's due. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is go to your HubSpot settings. Once you're logged into your HubSpot account, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up your main account settings area, where you can control notifications, preferences, and other important configurations. Now that you're inside the settings page, we need to navigate to your notification preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Scroll through that menu until you find Notifications and click on it. This section controls how and when HubSpot alerts you about activity in your account. Once you click Notifications, you'll see multiple tabs at the top of the page. These usually include options like desktop, email, and sometimes mobile depending on your setup. Since we want to receive a weekday summary in our inbox, click on the Email tab. This is where you manage all email-based notifications sent from HubSpot. After opening the email notification settings, scroll through the list of notification categories. HubSpot organizes notifications by type, such as CRM activity, marketing updates, and tasks. Keep scrolling until you find the section labeled Tasks. This is the category that controls alerts related to your assigned tasks, reminders, and summaries. Inside the Task section, look carefully for an option labeled Task Summary, sometimes shown as Daily Task Digest. This is the feature that automatically compiles your tasks into a single summary email. Instead of receiving multiple alerts throughout the day, this gives you one organized overview of what needs your attention. To activate it, simply turn on the toggle next to Task Summary. Make sure that Email is selected as the notification type. Once enabled, HubSpot will automatically send you a daily task summary every weekday, Monday through Friday. There's no need to manually schedule anything. HubSpot handles the timing for you and sends the digest with your upcoming and due tasks. After switching the toggle on, your changes are usually saved automatically. You can double-check that the toggle remains enabled before leaving the page. And that's it. From now on, you'll receive a weekday email summarizing your tasks, helping you start each day with clarity and focus. This feature is especially useful for sales reps, account managers, customer success teams, or anyone managing multiple follow-ups inside HubSpot. Instead of relying on memory or constantly checking your dashboard, the summary lands directly in your inbox, keeping your workflow streamlined and organized. If you ever decide you don't want these emails anymore, you can simply return to the same notification section, go back to Email, find the Tasks category, and toggle off the Task Summary option. And that's how you receive a summary of tasks every weekday in HubSpot. Quick, simple, and incredibly helpful for staying on top of your work. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy HubSpot tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.